And for days, he's been travelling around the country, the fight against corruption #1 on his agenda. But all of a sudden, LK Advani seems to have gone silent on his yatra, leaving many wondering whether this has anything to do with B.S. Yediyurappa's arrest. Till recently, the BJP's Karnataka Chief Minister.
छिंदवाड़ा।
अब बस अर्थात कि अब आपका भ्रष्टाचार और बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे। अब बस।
सौसा।
भारत माता की जो दुनिया के देशों में प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त करेगा, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं। मेरे साथ कहिए, भारत माता की।
सावनेर।
सरकार की स्थिति बहुत खराब है, बहुत खराब है। कभी कभी तो मनमोहन सिंह पर दया आती है। पहले मुझे बहुत उनके लिए इज्जत थी, लेकिन क्या हो गया ऐसा प्रधानमंत्री।
The Yatri full steam on his whirlwind yatra against corruption. In every rally, repeatedly targeting the UPA government on various scams. Yet, LK Advani has not made a single reference to the arrest of former Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa on corruption charges, choosing to maintain a rather obvious silence.
In the last 2 days, LK Advani was scheduled to hold 2 press conferences in Madhya Pradesh, one in Hoshangabad and the other in Chhindwara, and both of them were cancelled, raising questions if this was just a way of trying to avoid answering embarrassing and probing questions over Yediyurappa.
Other senior leaders in the BJP seem to have taken their cue from Advani.
So what is the stand of BJP on Yediyurappa now?
The BJP has officially already conveyed that. The parliamentary board took a decision the moment the Lokayukt report came that he must resign.
From Ravi Shankar Prasad to party president Nitin Gadkari. While the leaders at the centre are keeping their distance, state leaders are making their support apparent. The timing of Yediyurappa's arrest could not be worse for the BJP, coming as it does a week into the yatra. The party in a clear dilemma. Should it back the Lingayat leader, its tallest southern figure, or keep him at a distance? Their only defence, Yediyurappa was asked to step down.
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ जीरो टॉलरेंस रखती है। एक बार कर्नाटक में लोकायुक्त की रिपोर्ट आई, हमने दिनों में नहीं घंटों में निर्णय किया।
Although Yediyurappa is in hospital, he is in judicial custody. And it is these images the BJP fears that may be more enduring than its big comeback yatra. With Tejas Mehta in Nagpur district, Rohan Badkar for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.